Good morning, boys and girls. Today we will be working in our Go Math book, lesson 8.5. This lesson is on page 481. Our essential question is, how can you use this strategy, draw a diagram, to solve comparisons problems with fractions? Okay, you should be open to page 481. Unlock the problem. The deepest part of the Grand Canyon is about 1 1/6 miles deep. The deepest part of the ocean is located in the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. The deepest part of the ocean is almost 6 times as deep as the deepest part of the Grand Canyon. About how deep is the deepest part of the Grand Canyon, of the ocean? What do I need to find? I need to find about how deep the deepest part of the ocean is. Perfect. Please write it in your Go Math book. What information do I need to use? The deepest part of the Grand Canyon is about 1 1/6 miles deep. The deepest part of the ocean is about 6 times as deep. How will I use the information? I can draw a diagram. Diagram. Okay. Let's go to the next page. Draw a bar model. Compare the depth of the deepest part of the Grand Canyon and the deepest part of the ocean in miles. So right, this is 1 1/6 is the Grand Canyon, and this represents the ocean. Ocean is 1 1/6 6 times. 1 1/6 1 1/6 1 1/6 and 1 1/6. The ocean is 6 times deepest than the Grand Canyon. Let's see. Write an equation to solve. M is the deepest part of the ocean. The ocean in miles. M equals 6 times 1 1/6. M equals 6 times, oh wait, this is a mixed number. I need to convert this to an improper fraction. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 7 6. Now I'm able to multiply it. 6 times 7 is 42. 6. Well, this is an improper fraction. I can't answer this equation like that. So M is, let's convert this back to a mixed number. 6 divided by 42. 6 goes into 4. No. 6 goes into 42 7 times. 7 times 6 is 42. Subtract it. And there's nothing left over. So M is 7. So the deepest part of the ocean is about 7 miles deep. Oh, you can do this. This is great. You'll be able to do this no problem. Let's go to the next page. Try another problem. Mountains are often measured by the distance they rise above sea level. Mount Washington rises more than 1 1/10 miles above sea level. So Mount Washington rises 1 1/10 miles above sea level. Mount Everest rises about 5 times as high. What do I need to find? I need to find about how many miles above sea level Mount Everest rises. Okay. What information do I need to use? Well, let's see. Mount Washington rises about 1 1/10 miles above sea level. Mount Everest rises about 5 times as high. Okay. That sounds right. How will I use the information? I can draw diagram to compare the heights of the mountains. Okay. Draw a model, then I'll write the equation to solve. Well, it's very hard for me to draw a model, so I'm just going to write the equation. So the equation is 5 times 1 1/10 equals 5 times mixed number. I need to convert it. 10 times 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11 tenths. That equals whole number by the numerator, multiply it. 5 times 11 is 55 tenths. I cannot leave the answer like this. It's an improper fraction. So I need to divide 10 into 55. 10 goes into 55 5 times. 10 times 5 is 50. I need to subtract that. 5. I have no more numbers, so this is my remainder, 5 tenths. So the answer is 5 5 tenths. But when I see a fraction, I have to make sure that this fraction is in simplest form. Let me see. Does 2 go into both of these? No. 3? No. 4? No. 5. 5 goes into both of these. So that fraction is not in simplest form. 5 goes into 5 one times. 5 goes into 10 two times. So now that fraction is in simplest form. So Mount Everest rises about 5.5 miles above sea level. Okay, let's go on to the next page. Okay. On your own, please try to complete number 1 on 483. When you're done with that, I want you to do page 485 and 486. Complete those in your book. Tomorrow, I will give you the answers to each of those questions so you can compare and see how you did. Okay, boys and girls, get to work and have a great day.